Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the most important topic of light in physics for class 10. Dispersion of light by a glass prism. What do you mean by glass prism? What is dispersion of light? Dispersion of light is the most important phenomenon of the light, in which white light especially, splits into 7 constituent colors when it is allowed to pass through a prism. So first of all, before going to discuss about the dispersion of light, we need to know about the prism. As we know that prism is rectangular shape having two bases, triangular bases, and 3 lateral rectangular surfaces, in which when white light passes through the prism, dispersion takes place and white light splits into 7 constituent colors, and the band of 7 colors of light is obtained on the screen, which is called visible spectrum. So, what do we mean by dispersion? Dispersion is defined as the phenomenon of light in which light splits into 7 constituent colors. Why it occurs? What are causes of the splitting of white light into 7 colors? We will discuss. Each and every color of light has its own specific wavelength and frequencies. Due to these wavelengths and frequency at different fractions of time, the angle of deviation are different. Then that's why it reaches at different fractions on this screen, and it is obtained as a band of 7 constituent color, which is known as here in case of red, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These spectrums of colors is visible. That's why it is also called visible spectrum. So visible spectrum is a band of 7 constituent colors. The wavelength of the red color is maximum, and the wavelength of the violet color is minimum. Again, the frequency of the red color is maximum than any other colors. That's why it first reaches on the screen, and at last violet color reaches on it. And in this medium, in this band, 7 color is obtained, which is called a spectrum. As we know that the visible colors white given has range of wavelength in this. The red color has maximum here 7,900 angstrom, and violet color has wavelength 4,000 angstrom. Blue color has wavelength 4,800 angstrom. And as we know that angstrom is expressed in meter, unit of length here, and a symbol 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So this is the symbol used in this wavelength. Okay, the unit of wavelength is meter here, and the unit of frequency is hertz per second. So the speed of red color becomes maximum in all these cases. So dispersion is defined as the phenomenon of splitting of white light into 7 color. Why it happens? It is generally asked that a rectangular glass does not show dispersion, a spectrum. Okay, does not split the white light into 7 color, but prism shows this phenomenon. Why? Actually, in glass, rectangular glass slab, there is a two parallel lines, planes, surfaces, and does not show here the dispersion. But here lateral surfaces are obtained, are found in prism. That's why it shows dispersion. White light obliquely traces enters the prism and splits into seven color. Okay, so this is the dispersion of light. Once again, what happens in this is when light enters through the first surface, supposing A, B, and there are so it should go through a straight, but when a glass prism is placed in between the lights and then it splits in seven color. First of all, red light reaches here. After that, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and at last violet colors. And at last white. So angle of deviation for each and every color has difference. So angle of deviation for red color is not greater than the violet. So angle of deviation of violet color is greater than the red color. So deviation in red color is very minimum. Very minimum. Angle of deviation of red is less than other colors. Okay, that's why the wavelength of the red color and frequency of the red color becomes maximum. That's why it shows less deviation. Okay. Now, so and one more thing also, the red color scatters less. This phenomenon was a dispersion of white light into seven color was successfully explained by Newton, and Newton discovered that when white light, sunlight passes through the prism by making another devices Newton disc, in which seven colors are declared. Seven colors is splitted in that, and if it rotates, it comes into again white beam of light. So when it passes through the prism, it splits into seven constituent color. So Newton discovered white beam of light consists of made up of seven constituent color. Okay, this is dispersion of light by glass slab. Thank you. Thanks a lot.